see us. Let me turn the light on. Good morning, everyone. It's April 20th, 5:22 a.m.
Easter Sunday.
So it's gonna be an early start today. We're gonna try again for some blackfish. We kind of skunked out last week. We got one, but hopefully we'll do much better this time. So next time you see us, we'll be on the water. See you soon. Time to get our revenge. Round 2. Nice. First drop.
First drop, a little short.
You heard me? Watch, there's a boat coming, Zach. Zach. Hold on, Zach. You alright?
Almost slipped. Very close. You know why I almost slipped?
Well, that's why I grabbed on. I almost flipped. God. I was getting ready to jump onto the pile. It's just gonna ditch the kayak. What?
Did you hear that on the video?
Yeah, is it red right now? Yeah.
That's gonna be fucking funny to watch.
You got a bass. Tighten up, boy.
Big black.
Oh. You just had to drag all the way down. Nice. Keeper? Yeah, he's a keeper. Seventeen makes the cooler. Man, you had your drag real loose. I thought you had a bass on. Look how we have to fish. It's just retarded. Spot is not for amateurs. I'm ready to leave when you want. I don't care. We tried. What?
I'd like to get. I really want one more.
I hear you. Oh shit! This wind. Hold your fish up at least when you get a chance. Is my GoPro pointed at you? He's a nice little football. The Easter Bunny. The Easter Bunny brought us bad weather. But the white caps are breaking. Well, we didn't really get our revenge. Zach caught 2. Zach got 2. And I skunked.
Keeper, one short.
One keeper,
One keeper, one short.
So we'll just have to try in fall. I think that's the end of the season for us. But lucky for us, bass just opened up, so
Fluke is coming. Fluke is coming.
So we'll be at it soon, guys. See you later. Take care.